I don't just say yes to you, I say yes to a lifetime of growing, learning, and building together. I vow to stand by you in both calm and storm, to celebrate your victories as my own, and to hold your hand through every challenge we may face.
Nakita ko lang po siya, nakasabay ko sa jeep. Tapos yun, doon na nagsimula lahat.
It's the feeling I get when I look in.
Ngayon, masaya ako kasi natutupad na lahat ng mga bagay na nooy pinag-uusapan lang natin.
I treasure good moments like that. It's the time that we spend doing nothing at all. Stay up all
Alam mo na bagay talaga sila. And then kapag nakilala mo pa sila ng husto, doon mo talaga makikita na bagay sila. Kasi si Jim kasi mahaba ang pasensya niyan eh. Si Abby, minsan mabilis siya magtaray ba, ganun. Kahit anong gawin ni Abby, andyan lagi si Jim para intindihin siya.
candid and tell you the truth. I'd love to figure love out with you.
Walang filter. Lahat magagawa ko kung ano gusto ko. Natural na ako.
Sobrang haba ng pasensya niya, kamabait. So, masikaso, maalahan, yun, caring.
It's the path that we make to be safe and secure.
Abby, sumasang-ayon ka ba na maging asawa si Jim na naririto ngayon, alinsunod sa batas at mga alituntunin ng ating banal na simbahan?
Opo, Father.
Jim, kung kalbasing loob ang iyong pagparito o pamakisang higit si Abby na iyong pakamamahalin at paglilingkuran habang buhay.
Talk it out
Opo,
instead
Father.
of parting ways. So if you ask me what love is and what it's about, to be honest, I'm still
Sa lahat, thank you sa lahat. Medyo na-stress ko siya ngayong kasal, pagpaplano.
just wanna figure love out with you.
Ikaw ang panganay ko. Ikaw ang unang nagbigay dahilan para ako yung matawag ng isang nanay, isang mother, at ikinagagalak ko yun, ipinapaproud ko. Salamat sa pagiging mabuting anak. Tuloy lang at masaya yung journey mo na yan. Damihan mo ang apo namin.
Congrats sa'yo ulit. Tapos si Abby ay alagaan mo. Mahalin pa lalo. Mahal na mahal kita. Mahal na mahal ka namin ng pamilya natin. I love you.
I love you.
These and more. Love is all these and more. Love is all these and more.
Sa wakas, andito na tayo. Naging mahaba man at matagal, alam kong pinagtibay na tayo ng panahon at ng ating mga karanasan.
Nakikita ko na yung future ko sa kanya.
So if you ask me what love is,
Good luck, baby.
Thank you.
Congratulations,
Thank you.
Dahil dito iiwan ng lalaki ang kanyang ama at ina at magsasama sila ng kanyang asawa at sila'y magiging isa.
Lifetime waiting for us in a world where I was yours.
Pinipainting yung mukha mo.
Paper planes and porcelain. Smell of rain through the window pane. And the sight of you. I was scared to lose you.
Nakatambay kami ni Abby, tapos hindi ko alam na magkaaway sila ni Jim. Tapos tinatawagan ako ni Jim. So sinabi ko sa kanya, sabi ko, sis, nagtatawag si Jim. Tapos doon niya lang sinabi na hindi daw sila okay. Tapos hindi ko na rin in-answer yung call ni Jim. Tapos as it turns out, di naggala kami ni Abby, hindi alam ni Jim kung saan kami nagpupunta. Tapos yung last message ni Jim sa akin, as ipasagot ng call kasi inikot ko na yung buong Nagcarlan, hindi ko kayo makita. And I don't think anyone can do that. And that shows just how much Jim loves Abby.
Mabait, maaruga. Wala na akong mailing pa. Vitamin, everything na. Thank you. Thank you. Thank you.
Ladies and gentlemen, the happiest couple of the hour, Mr. Jim and Abby Moneda!
Babe, this is it. After 10 long years, what we're praying for is now finally happening. Bata pa lang tayo, lagi mong sinasabi sa akin na pakakasalan mo ako at ako yung gusto mong makasama habang buhay.
Sikapin niyo maging faithful sa isa't isa. Kung may naging pagkukulang ang isa, patawarin, no? Upang mapanatili ang pagiging isa. Sikapin ninyong maglingkuran sa isa't isa. O sapagkat ikapoy ang inyong pinakasalan ay bahagi na ng inyong pagkatao.
Was it too bold of me to assume you will catch me? Was it just
Kasama kitang tumawa, umiyak, magalit, mainis, ma-excite for more than 10 years of our lives. At ngayon, ipagpapatuloy natin yan habang buhay.
Jim, you are my home, my heart, and my forever. And today, I choose you always and in always. Huwag mong kalilimutan na favorite kita at mahal kita palagi.
there a lifetime waiting for us in a world where I was yours? Was it the wrong time? What if we tried giving in a little more?
I thank the Lord for your life and for giving us the chance to be together and be blessed by Him. I couldn't ever imagine being with someone else but you.
Pwede mo na ang hagkanan ng may bahay.